Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you the basic information of SQL Server. SQL Server Management today. SQL stands for Structured Query Language and it's also called Structured English Query Language, which is designed by German scientist E.F. Code in 1968 and it is released in market 1972. So come to our question, what is SQL Server? SQL Server it is one of language, and SQL it is a common language interface. That means it is only one language which can be communicate with any database such as SQL Server, Oracle, and MySQL also. SQL Server have contain five sub-language. One is DDL, another is DML, and third one is DQL, DRL, and fourth one is DCL, and last one is DCL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language, and DML stands for Data Manipulation Language, and third one is DQL and DRL. DQL stands for Data Query Language, and DRL stands for Data Relational Language, and fourth one is TCL, is a Transaction Control Language, and last one is DCL, is a Data Control Language. These five sub languages contain few command also. DDL contains five command. One is create, alter, and set, rename, and truncate and drop also. DML are contain three command: insert, update, delete. And DQL and DRL contain only one command, this is select command. And TCL are contain three command. One is commit, rollback, and save point. And last one is DCL, is contain two command, only one is grant and another is revoke.